Hello friends, this is a public service announcement. Don't neglect your neck. A woman's neck sags for a few clear biological reasons, and none of them are mysterious. Number one, collagen and elastin decline, and our neck loses its tightness and bounce. Number two, hormones, especially after menopause. When hormones decline, women can lose up to 30% of their skin collagen in the first 5 years. Less collagen equals looser skin. Number three, muscle banding issues. The thin sheet-like muscle in the neck, called the platysma, weakens and separates, and then that creates the vertical bands and the sagging. And number four, fat redistribution. With age, fat shifts downward due to gravity, and the jawline loses definition, and tissue settles into the neck area. Sagging. There is help. Do not allow your neck and chest to look years older than your face. This can start in your 30s and keep getting worse and worse. I hear your complaints daily. One dear lady wrote to me and said, "Please, Barbara, help me with my creepy skin." Well, you do not have creepy skin. I think you mean crepey. Well, fortunately, I have developed Lift in a Jar with DMAE. It has a dramatic firming effect. Tighten and tone. Reliable studies show significant improvement in sagging skin in the neck and jawline. It also helps with forehead lines, lip lines, and the eye area. Now, Dr. Nicholas Perricone, who's well known, sells his DMA cream for $180. That's a lot of money. I want yours to be affordable. It can work quickly, but give it a solid 3 months. Lift also contains hyaluronic acid for extra moisture and CoQ10 to smoothen lines. This cream is potent and affordable. I want to keep my prices low for you, even when the ingredients are costly for me. Lift has amassed a collection of growing reviews, and let me read a few. Now, I have to put my specs on, otherwise I can't read this. Now, Barbara, I personally love a quick fix as much as anyone, but I'm usually suspicious of products that promise to deliver quick results. But I saw an improvement after just 3 weeks of using Lift in a Jar consistently. Number two, I just began using your Lift in a Jar, and I am blown away. I thought it was just my imagination, or maybe I was just rested, but no, it's actually working. My skin feels less saggy and lifted. I'm pleasantly surprised. I can't wait to see what happens as the months go by. And finally, and I have a lot, but I just picked out a few. Great news. I started your DMAE cream. I've noticed at least 50% improvement in my sagging neck. Nothing I've ever tried has worked like this product. So I'm hooked on you and your suggestions. Thank you, Barbara. Well, thank you. And I have to tell you, I never discuss my age, but it does have a 7 in it. So there's that. And I'm doing as best I can. Now, you know I believe in research, and I have a lab that helps me with my vision. So I thank you for your confidence in me. Now, you're going to apply it twice daily to your neck, your jawline, your lips, your eyes, anywhere where you want to lift. If you want to be very aggressive, you're going to apply a retinol product before your lift. Now, I have a wonderful serum, retinol 5%, and this will give you impatient ladies, like most of us, the proverbial double whammy. But start with the lift, and I think you'll be happy. Okay, that's it. My husband uses it, and his neck is looking fine. So men, don't you neglect your neck. Onward and upward we go. Let's all tighten and brighten and lift. I'll put the link below, and you email me if you need more help, or call me. I'm here for you and whatever you need from me.